Wanna watch a story? It's a good one.
Basecamp mask does provide the
Basecamp, a safety
mask
equipment
that
leader for 19 years, initially focused on bike helmets. Responding to demand, we introduced our first mask in 2015. After continuous upgrades, we now have the M Plus and M Cross series. The look is different, but both filtration efficiencies are the same. Using EAPI filter technology and advanced nanotechnology, independently tested by Nelson Laboratories in Salt Lake City, Utah, filtering up to 99.6% particulate. M Plus has a quick take on and off Velcro closure, upgraded Velcro with elastic band for quick adjustment and enhanced comfort. M Cross offers slim, adjustable straps for less neck coverage in heat. Oh, did we mention our masks feature comfortable and breathable material? Plus, they come with an enlarged one-way valve that is 26.3% more efficient in reducing moisture. Additionally, there's an adjustable nose clip to prevent fogging effectively. Originally designed for cyclists, our masks have become popular in various fields, including woodworking, agriculture, and construction, thanks to their exceptional comfort and filtration performance. We're proud to have over 1 million users so far.